Oh my God! The carnage! Who wants him? I got first goose of the morning. Kill him! There you go. Nice shooting, guys. 99 to go.
Oh, they're dying on that one to start the day again.
Got set up a little late this morning, so we're still all getting our stuff ready in the blinds, but we got one down already. All right, so you guys seen us snipe that first. We're all getting ready. We're all freaking. Oh shoot! Look at this. First goose of the morning, banded. Good night. Look at that. All right, this is a odd video because we are struggling this morning. We woke up late. My crew did. The Canadians were here on time. We were not. Got everything drug out here. Everything set up with like 3 minutes to shooting time. Everybody's loading their guns and getting stuff out, and we look up and there's a single hovering in the decoys. So we shot, banded, first bird down, banded, crazy. And we just are all set up now. We're ready to go. We got 3 coming in the decoys here. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. We're gonna shoot 3 right here. Watch this. Here we go, right here. We got one. There he comes. Kill him! Oh, he got. You know, sometimes just stuff doesn't go your way. We thought we had all of our alarms set this morning. I'm sure we've all been there running late. But we put about, we're supposed to have a pretty good wind today. We're supposed to have 15 to 20 mile an hour wind. It's not quite blowing that hard yet, but it's supposed to be moving, so we decided to go with the sock rig, and good thing we did because we were running late. But we got about 500 socks, 6 clones, 1 snows down low e-collar going right now, and we got that out in about less than an hour, so that's pretty gosh dang good. So we got pretty excited here. I mean, first bird of the morning, banded. What a deal. So pray for some wind because it's gonna get nutty. Oh yeah, there you go. Turn in. Turn in. Ready. Caught him. There he goes. A little deep, but boo. All right, more coming. Oh, they're flying around everywhere now. Here, bring him here, Blue. Here, Boo. Here, Blue, here. Cannel. Drop it. Cannel. It's down. Yeah, we'll take him. Kill him! Oh! Oh, look at them all coming right here. Here, Boo. Oh, right here. Shoot. Hold on. God dang it. Wait, right there, too. Blue, here. Come here. Here. Kennel. Down. These 3 are going to come over. Let's bang these 3. Ready? Come! Oh, you guys are on one today. Holy! Yeah, warmed up, boys. Dude, this is a cool looking blue. Holy! You guys are on one. Here we go. These are doing it. Rossies. Here we go. Turn. Go up! Nice shooting, guys. Oh boy, them are on the deck. Kill him! Oh, those got wrecked.
Those were gonna be in there.
All right, get down, load up again. Boo, here. Hey, Boo. Yeah, we ain't gonna pass those up on camera. Back. Oh, right here. We're gonna shoot these two when they come in. Ready? Come on, turn, turn, turn. Kill him! Ah! Them are right there. Come on, turn over. Kill him! You get them both?
Yeah.
Okay. I know those two. I was just trying to see if we could get a few bigger groups in here.
Fuck, I was hung up on the blanket there.
Oh, were you?
Couldn't get out.
Ready? Kill him! There we go. Blue. There you go, nice shot. All right, we are absolutely pounding them here. The wind's finally picking up. It was a little tough there right away, but we're getting some nice little groups in here now. We got a single coming right over the top here. Here we go. He wants to die. He really wants to die, don't he? All right. Kill him! That one fell funny. Kill him! Oh, two roll low left here. Low left, roll low. Third one too. Turn in, come on. Ready? Kill him! Holy boys. That was the miss of the trip. Blue. Come on, Benson, you're better than that. Look at this beautiful penguin blue goose, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that blue goose. That is an absolute freaking stud. Wow. Here's one over the top. Yeah, okay. Here we go, shoot these three. Ready? Caught him!
Come on back. Nice shot. Good one.
Had to grab an extra shell. I ran out of bullets.
Maybe if you wouldn't have wasted your first three.
I don't know. I got him though. Dead's dead, Rieger. Here, Boo. Back. Turn. Kill him! Oh, there we go.
On my head.
Oh boy. Kill him! Oh my God! The carnage! Running right to blue. That is a mistake. Blue, here! Back! Holy! Those are about 5-yard Rossies, and we got a bleeder.
Hey, come on.
Oh, no. Kennel, kennel, kennel. Here, catch it here. Kennel, 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 kennel. Ladies and gentlemen, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Ross geese are my absolute favorite birds. Those two Rossies absolutely ate it. That was awesome. Hit that thumbs up button. Come on. Come on. Kill him! Oh, hit that blue. Here he goes. Mark it. Blue. Blue. The deep one. There he goes. Right by that rock. Just over the hill.
He's out there.
Blue will get him.
shot.
Right where the wheat goes in, ladies and gentlemen. Here about. Here about. Here about. Bring me my band. Drop it. Nope. God dang it. I don't know if you guys can see, but the birds are kind of landing behind us back here now. But we're whacking them pretty good. Those got clobbered. I was trying to get my camera on.
Yeah, you didn't call the shot.
Oh, well, because I didn't think anybody else could shoot, but then I shot and they bucked it over us. Holy, did those get clobbered. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I was trying to get my camera on. And those three Rossies just bit it. Oh, they're gonna land. Ready? Ready, 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 ready. Come! Come on, you chickens, come back! Those two decided, oh, well.
You guys go first.
You guys go first. Abort! Abort! Oh, they die.
Came in scraping that hill.
Yeah, that was awesome. Good eye, Zach. Here about. I think they're Rossies.
Yeah,
No, they're Snows.
Are they?
Yeah, they're all Snows. Here about.
Coming behind you.
Back. Yeah, they're big ones. Look at Zach. Specs.
Oh yeah, those are big.
Come! And then we dropped two in the pocket. Yeah, they were right in the pocket. Literally in the pocket.
Where'd they come from? Over that
Yeah, I just looked up and they're like 10 yards, like hanging right over here. Good boy, Blue. Bring him here. Back. Look at that. Golly, feel how heavy he is. Holy Christ.
Oh, right here.
Oh, right here. They're turning. Turn, turn. Cattle, 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 cattle. Down, down, down. Ready? Come! Oh, oh! Headshot. Come! There we go. Blue. That was all right. All right, this one's John's. You ready, John? You just kill him whenever you want to kill him. Go ahead. Nice shot, buddy. Nice shot. Atta boy. Good job, Rieger. Golly.
Give him all the shit, and he's 2 for 2 on the singles you called.
Atta boy. I didn't think you. I was just gonna sit up. I was just starting to sit up. Good job, Blue. Drop it. Big old snow too. No. No band, John. Good boy, Blue. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. That's a big one too. Drop it. Holy! Look at that thing, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! What a pig. Got him! Got him! Nice shot.
Nice shooting.
Turn, turn, turn. Come! I got 2 or 3 of those. I got 2 or 3 of them deep ones. I think we got all but one. All right, little mid-hunt summation here. We've got a bunch of birds down one leg band. We're probably getting pretty close to 75, 80 birds down. We can shoot 100 birds today, and we're sitting out a little bit later today. The birds are still moving around, and we got a really good wind, and every once in a while 2 or 3 will come in. Now we haven't had no big groups come in today, but you know, it's singles and pairs and 3-packs, and as you guys can see, and it's been kind of fun. You can see the wind's just whipping. It's sunny out. It's not a bad day to be laying out here, so we're gonna keep picking away at them and see if we can't get to that 100 mark here. Got them if you want. Oh shoot, that's a goose, ain't it? Oh, nice shot. I don't know where that one come from, but nice shot. Kill him. Kill him! They're tough to hit in that wind though, hey. All right, the most important part here, we're gonna do the band draw. Orange shell wins it. So we're gonna get in here. We got 3 guys on the draw. Everybody pull. 1, 2, 3. Who's got it? Ah!
Sorry, boys.
Sorry, guys. That's the way she goes. So his first leg banded anything. There you go.
Thank you.
Grab the leg and snap it at the knuckle.
Yeah.
There you go. Zach's got a knife in his bag too.
Here I go.
But just cut it off there at the knuckle. So that's his first band ever. First bird in the decoys. Second snow goose hunt, but we've got 2 bands 2 days in a row, so that's pretty gosh dang good. So there she is.
There it is.
There you go. Happy hunter. That's pretty awesome. What a incredible hunt this morning that we had. It is spring and we are doing a snow goose hunt, and we had a hell of a day. You can see here we got 82, and 2 days in a row another leg band, big old banded snow goose. That was the first goose that came in just at shooting time. I almost didn't call the shot on it, and I looked on it was shooting time, so we shot, and golly, it was sure as heck it was banded, so I'm glad we shot it. You guys have a good time?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We this middle row plus the 3 on that end are all Roskies. So I love me some Ross gooses. If you guys have paid attention to this channel, you guys know I love Roskies. So hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And until next time,
Make it rain.
haha, they're getting better.